Traders, I'm looking at the pound dollar, got it open on a 4-hour chart. We can see that this has been under pressure, and I'm looking for continuation. There's a sell, and targets would be, have a look left, see this balance area here. I'm going to pick up the low. It coincides with the lows under this area here as well, and if we pull that through, we have a target. If you want to go for an added second target, then have a look at the next value area over here on this this trend. You can see these red candles, so that would be target 2. Currently, all right, it's trading down into, well, actually, you could consider this. If you want to take partials, just have a look at this range in here and go at the high of this range. All right, so something like that would work. So there's 3 specific targets that we could consider. I'm thinking a short, ultimately down here, would be ideal. A short position, let's say we jump in here. Now, stop loss, well, I'd go above this green candle at least. That's a 1.6R target. All right, now you could run with the tightest stop, take it down above this previous high if you like, and that gives you a 2.23 target. Just be careful, the markets have been incredibly volatile, and they get aggressive with their stop runs, but that's an idea for the pound dollar, and it would be fairly similar, the Kiwi dollar, any of the Aussie, Kiwi, pound possibly, but that's an idea for today. Okay, guys, with that, I'd love to hear your comments. Definitely leave a comment below, and with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.